Welcome. Today we'll navigate through the Domain Connect feature of GoHighLevel. This awesome tool is our ally in setting up a subdomain without the old-school hassle of manual DNS record copy-pasting. First step, enter the Settings Command Center. Your mission begins in the Settings area. This is where all the magic happens. Move to Email Services. Proceed to the Email Services section. Hit the Create Dedicated Domain button. This will transport you to a new page, a crucial step in our mission. Input your subdomain. Enter the subdomain you wish to commandeer to send emails. Initiate verification sequence. After entering your subdomain, click Verify. Stay sharp here. System will now start scanning to identify your DNS provider. This is critical. Make sure you're logged into your DNS provider's site. Whether it's GoDaddy or another, the system will recognize and match your provider. Authorize and connect. Once redirected to your DNS provider, hit Authorize Domain. This is like getting a digital handshake from your provider. Patience is key. Don't rush this part. It may show as not verified initially as the DNS records need time to register. Stay cool, wait and refresh. Hit Verify now. Verification check. If your domain is still lounging in the pending zone, don't fret. Simply hit Verify now after a few moments. Recheck by clicking Verify Domain again. And voila, you have a fully verified dedicated domain. Mission accomplished. You successfully navigated through the digital wilderness and emerged victorious with a verified domain. Until next time, stay sharp and tech savvy.